Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Today we will discuss about the classification of amino acids. Today you will enjoy my lecture. If you pay your full heed and attention, then definitely you will enjoy my today topic. So we can classify the amino acid on four bases. Number one, on the basis of nutritional value. Number two, on the basis of R group. Number three, on the basis of polarity. Number four, on the basis of metabolic process. So, in my today lecture, we will discuss about the classification of amino acid on the basis of nutritional value. Okay, and in my next lecture, we will discuss the classification of amino acid on the basis of R group. So let's start. On the basis of nutritional value, amino acid is categorized into three parts: essential amino acids, non-essential amino acids, and conditionally essential amino acids. So we will discuss their name in the form of mnemonics to remember them. So first of all, we will discuss about essential amino acid. We will discuss it in the form of mnemonics, so we can easily memorize their name. So let's start. Tata Hall में VIP मीन के टाटा हॉल नाम है हॉल का, में वीआईपी. ओके, सो टाटा, टी फॉर थ्रियोनिन, टी फॉर ट्रिप्टोफान, ओके, एंड हॉल, एच फॉर हिस्टिडीन, ए फॉर एलानिन, एल फॉर लाइसिन, एंड दिस एल फॉर ल्यूसिन, एंड दिस एम फॉर मिथ्योनिन, and this V for valine, I for isoleucine, and P for phenylalanine. So these are 10 amino acids which are essential amino acids. Essential amino acids are those amino acids which our body cannot synthesize, which we take from outside the body. Okay, so and we move next, non-essential amino acid. We also memorize non-essential amino acid in the form of mnemonics, so we can easily memorize their names. Let's start. आज से क्लास पार्टी. ओके, आज से क्लास पार्टी. सो AG alanine, A for alanine, G for glycine. AG, A for asparagine, G for glutamine. Okay, you are understanding? And number 3, आज, A for aspartate, G for glutamate. And then SE means serine, class means cysteine, C for cysteine, party, P proline, and TY tyrosine. Okay, so it is very enjoyable mnemonics. आज से क्लास पार्टी. So A for alanine, G for glycine, A for asparagine, G for glutamine. Okay, and A for aspartate, G for glutamate, SE for serine, and C for cysteine, and party, P mean proline, and TY mean tyrosine. So I hope you are enjoying my lecture. Next we will move conditional amino acid, conditionally essential amino acid. Before we talk about conditionally essential amino acid, we will talk about non-essential amino acid. Non-essential amino acids are those amino acids which our body can synthesize. Okay, and now we move forward conditionally essential amino acid. Conditionally essential amino acids are those amino acids which particularly during, we can say, pathological period, means some injury or some accident etc. During these conditions our body cannot synthesize at a high rate, because during some pathological condition we need some amino acid on high demand, but our body cannot synthesize these amino acid on the high demand. So therefore we have to take these amino acid from outside the body. Therefore we call it conditionally essential amino acid during pathological period. During pathological period, some essential amino acid we need at high demand, but our body cannot synthesize them at high demand. Therefore, we need to take these essential amino acid from outside the body. Therefore, we call it conditionally essential amino acid. For example, glycine and glutamine and proline. And one thing more we have not discussed yet, some amino acids are semi-essential. What is meant by semi-essential amino acid? These amino acids are essential at one time but non-essential at another time. For example, in adult, all these 10 essential amino acids cannot be synthesized. But in children, 2 amino acids, arginine and histidine, can be synthesized. Therefore, we call them semi-essential amino acid. So, I hope you enjoy my today's lecture, and I hope you will memorize this lecture very easily in the form of mnemonics. So, we have a quick review of these amino acids: essential amino acids, non-essential amino acid, and conditionally essential amino acid. So, essential amino acids, we memorize them in the form of mnemonics: Tata Hall may VIP. So these 10 amino acids are essential amino acids because our body cannot synthesize them. Okay, and these 10 amino acids are non-essential amino acids because our body can synthesize them. So we will memorize them also in the form of mnemonics, mean आज से class party. Okay, these are 10 non-essential amino acids, and another class conditionally essential amino acid. These are those amino acids which during pathological condition period our body need these essential amino acids at high demand, but our body cannot synthesize them at high demand. So we take these amino acids from outside the body. Okay, today I hope you will enjoy my lecture. Allah Hafiz.